Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Josie Maran Triple Hydroxy Resurfacing Liquid, which looks like this. Josie Maran very generously sent this over as part of PR. I want to say maybe a month to a month and a half ago. I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. Josie Maran describes this as an advanced blend of 7 key acids, some of which we already know and love here on this channel, such as glycolic acid, lactic acid, azelaic acid. And we also see pineapple enzymes that work together to transform the surface of the skin while soothing and hydrating. Argan leaf extract keeps everything calm. This acid blend treats uneven tone and enlarged pores. You can find this at josiemaran.com. I'll be sure to link it down below for you. A 1.7 ounce unit retails for $72. Josie Maran suggests that you dampen a cotton round. I like to use it with reusable cotton rounds, and you want to apply this to clean, dry skin on the face, the neck, and perhaps the chest as well if you like. After full absorption, about a minute or two, you want to follow it with your favorite moisturizer. You may use this during the day. If so, make sure that you follow it with your favorite sunscreen. You may start using this once to twice a week and then gradually increase to daily use. Within this formula, we see ingredients that promote an even tone, hydrate, and exfoliate the skin. We see glycolic acid, lactic acid, azelaic acid, tranexamic acid, and lactobionic acid, just to name a few. Do you see sodium hydroxide within this formula, which has a potential to irritate and sensitize the skin? You see glycolic acid, which is one of the most researched alpha hydroxy acids with a very small molecular size that helps to improve texture, increase hydration, and minimize the signs of aging. Due to its small molecular size, however, it does have the potential to irritate the skin, which is why sensitive skin types may prefer lactic acid and mandelic acid over glycolic acid, and sometimes even enzymes due to perhaps the reaction that some skin types have with the glycolic acid. Azelaic acid here is a gentle exfoliant that helps improve skin's texture. It helps to diminish blemishes and post-acne marks. It also reduces sensitivity-induced redness. We also see lactic acid, another alpha hydroxy acid that is derived from milk that exfoliates the skin at the surface. It also hydrates and strengthens your skin's barrier. Tranexamic acid here fades discoloration, reduces dark spots, and can also reduce redness. Mandelic acid, also an AHA that can exfoliate the skin, but is one that sensitive skin types tolerate a lot more. I first used this on July 18th, and it was the first time that I had been using an acid for 2 weeks. I think I was going through a skincare funk. I'm not quite sure what was happening. I did feel a mild tingle when I first introduced this to the skin. The skin also felt slightly sticky here. After absorption, however, the skin had a natural glow. I followed it with Drunk Elephant's Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. Although Josie Maran did send over the whipped argan oil face butter with this product, I did not try it with this. Do let me know if you would like a review on this Josie Maran product in the comments down below, and I can get to work on that for you. Skin was not, however, sticky after moisturizing. So skin the next day felt slightly smoother, plumper, with minimal, very minimal luminosity. I did not experience any redness with use or irritation. I did love the way my skin looked 2 days after using this product. On August 8th, about 3 weeks after first use, I did not experience any tingle whatsoever. Again, skin woke up slightly smoother the next day. And here's where I wrote that this would best be suited for sensitive skin. Advanced users like me may perhaps want to stay away since this isn't, I would say, strong enough for conditioned skin. When I say conditioned skin, I mean you've used Farmacy Honeymoon Glow, Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos, the Summer Fridays Acid Blend, which I absolutely adored. And if you get chemical peels or advanced treatments at your med spa, I don't think that you will be satisfied with the level of exfoliation that this product provides, unless you are using or, doing invasive treatments and just want to use something quite gentle at night. I have used a number of acid blends before, and this is quite possibly one of the most gentle acid blends I have used. Now, I have used standalone acids that have been quite gentle, but I will actually say that I did use an acid blend by Good Molecules, and I feel like you would get more results from this than I got from that. So the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos, for example, improves texture, tone, and luminosity overnight. The Farmacy Honeymoon Glow Acid Blend improves texture, tone, and minimizes breakouts overnight. Both of those, however, give my skin such an amazing glow. This, however, did not give me the glow I expect from an acid blend. I am, however, one that loves a glow the next morning. If you, for example, love more of a natural glow to the skin, you are going to like this. I would also perhaps personally reach for this when I do start using my tretinoin and I still want to get an acid blended. Overall results from this have been slightly smoother skin. I will say that this reduced congestion, and it also helped to diminish the appearance of fine lines, but most importantly for me at least, it reduced blemishes and post-acne marks, very similar to Honeymoon Glow. So as much as I picked on my skin anxiously, of course, I know I'm anxious when I am picking at my skin here and here. I do not recommend picking at your skin. I know better. I'm an esthetician. As much as I picked on my skin in the same general area here and here for like the month of July and August, the post-inflammation hyperpigmentation here has healed rather quickly. And considering how old I am and how slow my cell turnover is or should be, I will say, however, that I have been using the Drunk Elephant Serum Fresh Day Serum, because although it is as sticky as it is still one of my absolute favorite vitamin C serums. However, I did actually receive the C and E ferulic acid serum courtesy of SKINSTORE. So if you also want that reviewed, let me know in the comment section. I feel like that is a serum that a lot of people love or a lot of people don't like, but it's one that is constantly mentioned in the skincare world. So let me know if you want that reviewed. If not, I'll carry on and use my Serum Fresh Serum, which I absolutely adore. Using a vitamin C serum during the day and then using a retinol and an acid blend on separate nights has really helped to kind of brighten and amp up the the tone of my skin. I will say again that the addition here of the azelaic acid is what has helped to improve those post-acne marks. So I did not experience any redness or irritation from using this up to 3 times a week max, although I feel like my conditioned skin could have tolerated this literally every night. I strictly used this with the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream because I always tend to revisit this product during the summertime unless I am absolutely obsessed with a moisturizer product release of that same year. I know that one year, my one true love was the Ulla Henriksen Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. I would use this morning and evening. I feel like this was amazing. The texture here is quite unique. I will link my review to that up above. And I feel like this minimized the appearance of my pores during the daytime without feeling dimethicone or congesting my pores. Anyway, I have gone off on a tangent, which I know people do not like. So yeah, I have been using this with the Drunk Elephant Polypeptide Cream. I did not use this during the day, but Josie Maran does suggest that if your skin can tolerate this, you may use this both morning and evening. However, do make sure that you use your sunscreen every day, rain or shine, whether you are indoors or whether you are outdoors, because I don't think any of you are living in a bunker. There are windows inside your house and the rays of the sun get through those windows, thus causing the premature signs of aging. So just make sure you wear your sunscreen every day, please. My favorite way to use this, I am still loving and using the Farmacy Strawberry Shortcake Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I am still loving and using the IS Clinical Cleansing Complex. Still using the PCA Hydrating Toner. Then I would go in with this with a reusable cotton round, which I'm sure I'll be showing you. Also use this with the BioEffect EGF Eye Serum. This is new, also courtesy of SKINSTORE. I will link it down below for you. She is pricey, but she is amazing. So let me know if you want a review of this as well. And I would follow this with the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. And we are ready for bed. Very, very easy. I would recommend this to anyone who is dealing with sensitive skin, aging skin, textured skin, uneven tone. Do you have congestion or clogged pores? Also, if you have dry, sensitive skin, consider pairing it with this here. Even though I have not tried this, I feel like this is much richer than the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream, which I chose to use this with. Even though I did use a much lighter moisturizer, I did not experience any redness, dryness, flakiness using this 3 times per week max. Pros here, I do like that this is gentle, it's non-drying and non-irritating. This is cruelty-free, synthetic fragrance-free, and formaldehyde-free. Sometimes I will throw in the formaldehyde-free because I did have one client once who was just terribly allergic to formaldehyde. And there are certain ingredients in things that will trigger a reaction. We aren't all the same, sadly, or luckily. This helped to even out tone due to blemishes, post-acne breakup marks, especially for me along the chin and this forehead area, which just went wild this summer. Pores were a lot less congested with use, and I like the packaging. I feel like it's very simple. It is opaque, so it does maintain the integrity of the ingredients here, and it also keeps you from using a load of product here. I'm so far from the camera today. So that's how you pour the product out. And I've used quite a bit of it, as you can tell. So, con. con. This will only be a con for those with resilient, those with conditioned skin. I feel like this was just too gentle. But I do understand that the Josie Maran approach to skin is to create gentle, effective, results-driven products. So I will say that this would be most effective but gentle on those with sensitive skin. Also, this did not give me the glow that I look for an acid blend, so perhaps I would need to use this nightly to truly achieve that glow. Although this was very gentle for my resilient, conditioned, normal skin, I feel like this delivered on its claims. Diffused fine lines, check. Improved the appearance of uneven tone, check. Improved congested skin, check. Did this irritate my skin? Did it dry me out? Did it cause redness or sensitivity? Absolutely not. So she gets a check there too. So I would rate this a 10 out of 10. But I am going to rate it a 9 out of 10. Again, it was just a little too gentle for me. I am sorry. Let me know if you have used this product by Josie Maran. I know that it is still relatively new. Let me know if you have used this. Do you have sensitive skin as well? Do you lean on the drier side? Let me know what your results have been from using this in the comments down below. Let's help each other out. Let's discuss in the comment section. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much for spending some of your time with me today. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Give it a like if you did. It really helps the algorithm here. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Let's start this again. What? Not sure why. No.